Welcome to our tutorial on how to edit locked cells in Excel. This involves unlocking the cells and unprotecting the worksheet to make changes. If you need to get some idea on how to lock cells correctly, you may refer our previous video on how to lock cells in Excel. Locked cells in Excel are protected to prevent accidental or unauthorized changes. However, there are times when you might need to edit these locked cells. Let's see how to do this. Here I am using the same workbook used in our previous video, and you can see the actual sales value column is locked and cannot be edited. Therefore, first we need to unprotect the worksheet. Go to the Review tab and click Unprotect Sheet. If your worksheet is password protected, you will need to enter the password. Enter the password and click OK. The worksheet is now unprotected, allowing changes to the locked cells. Next, select the cells that were locked. These are the cells we want to make editable. Right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Protection tab and uncheck the Locked checkbox. Click OK. Now these cells are no longer locked and can be edited. With the cells now unlocked, you can freely edit the data or formulas within them. Make the necessary changes. I will just edit one sales figure here. Once you've made your edits, you may want to relock the cells to protect them again. Select the cells you just edited. Right-click and choose Format Cells. In the Protection tab, check the Locked checkbox and click OK. Finally, go back to the Review tab and click Protect Sheet to re-enable protection for the worksheet. Set your permissions and enter a password and re-enter it. To ensure that your cells are protected, try editing one of the relocked cells. Excel should prevent any changes, confirming that the cells are locked again. And that's how you edit locked cells in Excel. By unlocking, making changes, and relocking the cells, you can ensure the security and integrity of your data. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.